Going to Rambuda waterfalls. On नहीं था camera rhythm.
Wow.
Can you see there's a steep down. We have to go down. I don't know why drivers do not bring the car here. Car can easily come. He could have parked here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But this lovely ambience. It's called रामबुडा वाटरफॉल. चढ़ने में ही दिक्कत होएगा, उतरने में नहीं होएगा क्योंकि बहुत स्टीप है. दिक्कत नहीं होएगा बट स्लो होएंगे, थक जाएंगे. उतरने में नहीं थकेंगे. आ जाओ. कम मैम कम. यू आर ब्रेव लेडी. या जस्ट लिटिल बिट. लेट्स सी कहाँ है. Where is the waterfall? Where? This way? Okay. It looks like a hotel. Where is the waterfall? Inside? Where? Can't see. Yeah, where can we have a look where it is?
Yeah, you can have a see from the window.
From the window. That one, that far. It looks like a hotel.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is a waterfall. Okay, and how down we have to go?
Can you walk there? Yes, you can walk there.
There's steps?
Steps are there. You have to go to the ground floor, the restaurant.
Uh-huh.
And from there are like steps, like 50 meters.
50 meters. Okay. Come. So which way to go?
From here.
From here, lift. So you have to take a lift to go to this waterfall. This looks like good.
Asli waterfall.
At least a little better, little bit of water is there. लिफ्ट तो आई नहीं. अच्छा. You are coming? Come. Oh, no. See, we are going by lift. It's an experience of a kind. Going to a waterfall with a lift. Yeah? Going to a waterfall with a lift. Oh, it's dark.
Oh my god.
I will go from this side. Let's see. Open. खुल जा सिम सिम. Oi. Wow. Wow, there's a restaurant. And which way to go to waterfall, sir? Yes. Waterfall? This side, okay. Oh, lovely. There's a restaurant. This is quite good. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Very nice way of designing. Oh, बिल्ली. बिल्ली रास्ता मत काटो हम लोगों का. ये है बिल्ली. See, this is Rambura waterfall. There's a tea garden here. There's a mountain view. There's a lovely serene view. And you have to go down few steps from this. Which way to go? Straight. Okay. Come. This is lovely. हाँ, इधर आ जाओ बेटा. इधर आ जाओ. इधर रिस्की है. चलो, कहीं पैर स्लिप कर जाए ना तो नीचे गिरोगी. ध्यान से वहाँ पानी भी है. हाँ, तो ध्यान से. सो मैम इस बार बहुत ऊंचे से तक चढ़ गई एक बार, वहाँ पे तो नहीं, अब उतर चढ़ने के बाद उतर रही हैं और फिर चढ़ेंगी ये वाटरफॉल देखने के लिए। इनको पसंद आया, जो चीज़ पसंद आता है वहाँ पे चढ़ जाती हैं, जो नहीं आता उनके लिए 1000 बहाना होता है। तो दिस इज़ लाइक this is a typical of ladies. Wow, it's a lovely waterfall. Can you see, guys, top on the mountains, see the 360-degree view. Yeah, and this is Rhythm and Rhythm's mom.
Hello.
They are coming down. Come. Rhythm, this side, you come to my side. Yeah, beautiful, but will not go beyond a point. जहाँ स्टेप्स नहीं होगा उसके बाद नहीं जाएंगे। So this waterfall comes from, when you come from Kandy to Nuara area, on the way there's a resort like thing has been made.
And बहुत confusing है, पता
हाँ,
नहीं।
confusing तो है। Wow, see the lovely gorgeous waterfall. There's less water. If you come to rainy season, probably this will be very fast and very good. है ना बबली? हाँ, यहाँ तक जहाँ तक स्टेप्स बना हुआ वहाँ तक जाएंगे, एकदम नीचे तक नहीं जाएंगे, जहाँ तक स्टेप्स बना हुआ वहाँ तक। रिदम इधर आओ, हाथ पकड़ो। There are people there already. They are coming up. रुक जाओ, मुझे ना वीडियो वो बंद करने दो। You went down? You went down? Yeah, only. Okay.
Down will come dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous. Yeah. Nice. Come. इधर आओ, इधर बढ़िया सेफ्टी है। Wow. See, till down, and the water flowing down. And there's a nice watching space is also there. You can come here and watch. Believe me, this is a fantastic. See, she is beautiful now taking the photograph. There are steps also to go further down. We don't want to go, it's getting late and there's hardly any people there. There's no person, I think. The water goes till that side. Hadn't been daytime, we could have taken bath here. Yeah, and had it been more people here, we could have taken bath, but not now. It's the evening time. ले सकते हैं, but evening time है, dangerous है. लेने वाले लोग लेते ही होंगे. But this is beautiful waterfall. Yes, for this only we came to Sri Lanka. Yes, Sridham. इसीलिए मैंने कहा था श्रीलंका is beautiful. Come, ma'am, come. See the backdrop. See the backdrop. This waterfall is amazing and you don't have to go very far off. Just 5, 10, 15 minutes walk down from the roadside. When you are going from Kandy to Ella Noera in Sri Lanka, on the way you can ask your driver to stop and then you can come. There is a 100 rupees ticket per person. The ticket is perhaps for the service they are providing, the lift service. There is a restaurant also. So if the restaurant is serving, you want to enjoy the nature and have some food and something to eat and all, you can eat that also. So this is a wonderful place to be. One must come here. I believe this was the best place we have visited so far in Sri Lanka. I cannot remove my eyes from here. Had it been a rainy season, there would have been more water, but still this much of water is good enough to consider this as a waterfall. This is very high. No, वो तो गिरने के बाद छींटे पड़ रहे हैं बेटा. हाँ. नहीं. When it is falling from there, ना तो is so that's turning into water vapor. It's not a water vapor. It's a like with the force is going with that. Water is getting scattered. See? Yes. Rhythm, come at the backdrop. Both of you. Bubbly. Come. I want to click a picture of you people. I'm clicking. The selfie queen is busy taking selfie. And drama queen is posing. Pose, drama queen. Selfie queen, come in the frame, bitter. Please. You know, sometimes when I speak English, German also comes automatically. Selfie queen and drama queen together, posing in front of this waterfall. What I'll do, I'll take a down view. See. Yes. See. Woo. What I'll do, I'll turn like this just to take pictures. So this is, if you want to watch this whole, this is a complete angle. Rhythm, look in front, please. Smile, say cheese. Yay! Lovely. Come. Again back. Wow! Amazing. I don't feel like going from here. Don't press, beta. Don't press. I don't feel like going from here. But what to do? We have to leave. We have to leave to our hotel. Yes, Rhythm. So we are going back. Thank you very much for giving such a view. Bye-bye, tata. And guys, viewers, please, if you happen to be in Sri Lanka, don't miss this waterfall. Okay, don't miss this waterfall. This is lovely. And if you have not come to Sri Lanka, please do come to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is beautiful. Sri Lanka is amazing. So far the places we have gone, some of the places have been beyond our imagination. Okay, see everything. चलो, सौतेला भाई है बेटा बादल. नहीं सौतेला भाई है. जिधर देखो उधर आ जाता है बादल. ये देखो. हाँ. मालूम नहीं, खुला रहता है. Whenever we come to any place, we see the cloud is changing. Anywhere, whether Singapore, India or Sri Lanka, whether you're in Kandy, we are in Dambola, or you're in your area, the cloud follows us. Cloud is our step cousin. रुक जाओ. कितना डाउन आया है देखो. वहाँ से ऊपर से देखो, वो रोड है, मेन रोड. वहाँ से डाउन आई हो तुम. इतना डाउन. हाँ, और उतना ही ऊपर चढ़ रही हो. कम बात नहीं है. राइट. आ जाओ मैडम, आ जाओ. ये गो. क्यूट है. ध्यान से. जंगल में कोई एनिमल क्यूट नहीं होता. हाँ, रुक जाओ, वहाँ बांधेंगे. चलो. ध्यान है मुझे. So more tourists are coming. When we were there, we were the only people. See, so many people are coming down. Okay. Finally. Good. Wait, Rhythm, wait. इसको hold the bottle. Let me tie up my lace. See, automatic. There's a lift to go up. So halfway, we are doing lift. Such experience you can have in the Paris when you go to Eiffel Tower. You have a lift halfway and halfway climbing. हाँ चलो आएगा 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 आएगा। 3rd फ्लोर पे रुका हुआ है, 4th फ्लोर ग्राउंड फ्लोर। ओह, दिस इज द एक्सिट। Yeah. So now climbing up, 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 up. Come, come. Not very far. 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
चढ़ने में टाइम लगेगा, उतरने में
टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ी थकावट भी होगी। जल्दी मत करना रिदम। हाँ, आ जाइए मैडम। देखिए सर, मैडम क्लाइंब कर रही हैं। आप वीडियो में आ रहा है? आइए मैडम। नहीं नहीं आ रहा है, चल रहा है। आइए आइए सर, आइए देखिए। सक्सेसफुल। अब कौन सर हैं यू? अब चढ़ जाती हैं। आई नो, आई नो। नहीं नहीं, चढ़ तो जाती हैं, रो रो के चढ़ती हैं, चढ़ जाती हैं, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। तो दैट मच क्रेडिट आप इनको दे सकते हैं। देखिए सनसेट भी हो रहा है। कैन यू सी द सनसेट फ्रॉम दिस साइड? द सनसेट, सी द सनसेट, लवली सनसेट। चलो, विल सी फ्रॉम द अप सनसेट।
गाड़ी आ गया।
गाड़ी कहाँ आ गई? ये वाली गाड़ी आ गई। हमारी गाड़ी तो ऊपर है।
आनी चाहिए थी आपको गाड़ी।
आनी चाहिए थी ना। चलो कोई बात नहीं। हाँ, गाड़ी क्या करो?
फ्लाइंग कार के तरह होना चाहिए।
हाँ, ये बात सही। ये देखिए, दिस सनसेट एट द बैकड्रॉप। सी, नाइस व्यू। चलो आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। लिटिल स्टीप बट गुड। कम मैम कम। थक गए? नहीं नहीं। There used to be a tea shop here that is closed. No tea shop now. Their guards are there. So the guards are the symbols that we have completed a tiring steep hike. Come ma'am, come. Congratulations. Oi, 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 oi. Rambuda Falls. So we went to Rambuda Falls. We saw that. Thank you. Beautiful. I think that is our cab. Yeah. Come, come. Yeah. This is driver bhaiya of ours waiting. Thank you very much. अच्छा था ये।